KbPort Simplicity7 ECC provides quick and efficient visual control of simulation spaces utilizing ECC V7 systems. Each recorder is represented by an ECC card on the ECC page. Each ECC card presents useful information from the ECC, such as name, address, disk space usage meter, recording controls, and privacy guard. Each card can display up to 2 live camera streams from each ECC and supports on-screen pan, tilt, zoom controls for PTZ-enabled cameras. The Privacy Guard feature enables or disables audio and video streams for an ECC with the click of a button. The ECC Edit feature allows the user to adjust which camera feeds are displayed on the ECC main page within the ECC card. The Edit page also supports live audio streaming and Privacy Guard enable and disable features. Easily optimize your view with on-screen controls. The X button removes an ECC card from the current view. The arrow buttons move ECC cards forward or backward. ECC view settings are user-specific. Changes to your own view will not impact the view presented to other users. ECC features ECC groups, which are pre-configured views including select ECCs. This time-saving feature allows users to create any number of custom views and switch between them on the ECC with only 2 clicks. ECC groups are created in Facility. All ECC groups are available to all users with permissions to access the ECC. For more information on configuring ECC groups, please refer to the ECC groups for ECC video. ECC groups are displayed in the System Side panel. The side panel allows users to load all or unload all ECC cards, switch between ECC groups, or individually enable or disable ECC cards for the current system view. Simplicity7 ECC includes a patient monitoring station feature for ECCs with incoming SimLink connections. Simply click the heart icon to toggle from the camera streams to the ECC's incoming patient monitor stream.